Are you guys looking to make a free intro for your YouTube channel? If you are, make sure you leave a like and subscribe on this video so I can do more tutorials. But anyway, let's get straight into it. So the first step is you need to open any kind of browser you have. Now some browsers will not work, but what you need to do is if it doesn't work, try and install a different browser. Chrome works, so use Chrome. So first of all, you need to open it and search up Panzoid on the internet. Once it's loaded, press the first link and it should take you to the home page where you can press Clip Maker. And now just scroll down on all the projects you can use and go to more creations. So you can see I'm just looking, press more creations. Now you can go through any of these, you don't have to use the one I use, and it's going to be different as it's different for each person. But if you want the one there, just search it up. It's Advanced Intense 2D Sync Intro, and then you want to press Open in Clip Maker. Now watch it first by pressing the I and then pressing play. So when you press the I, it's what you will see. Okay. Right, you can't actually hear the music for some reason, but that actually is music, and the music's good, so.
Music licensing.
And also, you just go through them, you can select music. So go onto the little box shape and press text, and then write the text you want. So mine's going to be Techzilla, as it obviously it's my channel, and I probably will use this for my channel in the future, but we will see. You also, if it's too much and you can't really see it, pause it and change the font, as I'll show you in a sec how to do that. Oh, that's pretty cool. Look at sneeze. Just select a font. No, am I not? Okay. Right, there we go. And you just keep selecting different fonts till you find one that suits it. Now, when you render this, it'll take a long time. It took me about half an hour to render it and download it. It took a while. And it didn't actually, the quality didn't turn out to be as good as I hoped it would have been. But sometimes the quality won't be as good. You need to find the one that kind of fits for your phone. So when I finished it, it was a little glitchy, but it kind of stops after a while. I don't know how it works. It kind of, the glitchiness stops, as you will see in my future videos. But you can just select any kind of video you want. Just tell me in the comments below. So I put fastest render, and this apparently gives like the best. Oh, sorry about that. It gives the best quality. So as you can see, you want to press allow, and then it will start to calculate. Now this is going to take a long time, so a lot of this is going to be skipped, as you will see in a sec. It's just calculating. Look at it. See, look, there we go. Yeah, I do this a fair few times. Just checking. So you can see here, it's taking a while and it's going through in each stage. And I think I get to like 1 minute and then I stop and let it finish. I'm not kind of sure though, because it was like, it's good. As you can see here, 59 seconds I think goes down to 54, 21, and then so far, and it just keeps going down. And once it's finished, it's going to say download your video, so press download. So it's going to start the download and it should pop up on the top half of the screen, as you will see, and mine, as you can see there, you want to press open file, and then you want to go to video or photos, up to you, and then listen, and then you'll see it here. Now you'll see what I mean by glitchy. It's quite glitchy, isn't it? But it should clear off, and if you want, you can re-render it with a different type, so balanced would also work well. So what you want to do is you want to close both of those up, and you want to go to your albums or photos or gallery, and you want to go to your downloads, and you're going to watch it again. And I keep watching this just to see if the glitchiness slows down. I think I'm going to re-render it with balance this time. But it's up to you what you do. You need to find the one that kind of fits you. But anyway, guys, that's really all for the video. If you did enjoy, make sure you leave a like and subscribe for more content on tutorials and all kinds of videos. Also, join the Discord server down below. And if there's any kind of videos you want, put that down in the comments and I'll reply to it as fast as you can. If you want to donate, feel free. My PayPal will be down below. And anyway, guys, I'll see you around. Goodbye.